we go now. Tell me what you really wanna do. Come here, man. Talk to a nigga, talk to me. You look like you can really give it to a nigga. Whenever you're talking, the way you try to walk for me, the way you really try to put it on the guard. Doing it like I never did before for me. The way you break your back and I break your neck, and the way you try to put it on the floor for me. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, tell me what my niggas is that. Okay, let me bless y'all niggas one time when I lock it down and I hit you with that. With that bomb shit, y'all niggas know all day we be making it drop. Y'all niggas know every time we come through this motherfucker we be always taking it rock. So let me blow this bitch. Y'all niggas know when we come we be making it flop. The way we making it hot to make a nigga wanna stop. Get money, get cash, that check for me. All my niggas just bust your check for me. Everybody from City Cut, bang your cash till you break your motherfucking neck for me.
Just let me give you real street shit to grind in your shit with.